Hi everyone, I'm Sridevi. Welcome to my kitchen. Right now it's 8 pm in my kitchen and look at the natural brightness. It is summertime here in Germany. Summertime is for doing lot of activities and one of them is pickle making. The recipes might differ, the ingredients might differ, but all around the world one common thing in summer is pickle making. People in India make lot of varieties of pickle like lime pickle, vegetable pickle, sorrel leaves pickle, gooseberry pickle, and the list is endless. You can make pickle out of almost any vegetable, fruits, seafood or meat varieties. Pickles are consumed across India to spice up everyday meals. More than a recipe, it is a tradition, it is a ritual that people like to make during summer times. I'm going to show you two pickle recipes. One is with baby apple. The other one is an instant pickle. I'm going to use Granny Smith apple for making this. Baby apples are not normally sold in shops. If you don't have access to them, you can also use Granny Smith apples. The recipe is baby apple pickle. The inspiration is from Vadumanga pickle from southern part of India. Vadumanga means tender mango or baby mango pickle. People living outside India and who don't have access to mangoes can use this pickle, and it's a perfect substitute for baby mango pickle. Let's go to the recipe. It is a two-step process. On the first day, you have to add apple and salt to a jar, and then you have to shake it for a couple of times for 3 to 4 days. On 5th day, you need to add some spices and mix it. Leave the jar in the kitchen counter for a couple of weeks to let the lactic acid bacteria to do its work. Let's go and make baby apple pickle. Prepare the apples. Clean the apple in cold water and dry them thoroughly. Take cleaned dried glass jars and add apple to it. Add the required amount of salt. Water is the enemy for this pickle, so throughout pickle making and also after pickle making, there should not be any contact of water to the pickle. After adding salt, close the lid of jar and then shake the bottle for a couple of times for 3 to 4 days. Now step 1 is completed. For step 2, we will look at the spices, and we need to add the spices on day 4 or day 5. The chili powder that I am using is milder. Please adjust the chili powder according to your taste. Take a clean dried bowl and spoon and add the spice powders one by one. Add vinegar and oil. Now add salt solution from the pickle and mix them together. Add the apples and mix them all together and store the apple pickle in the same container. As you can see, the apples have shrunk in size. So the 2 bottles of apple now are fitting into single bottle. Now the pickle making is done. You have to leave this pickle in the kitchen counter for 2 weeks before using them. After 2 weeks, the pickle is ready to be used. You can leave it in the kitchen counter for a month or in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 months and then use them. Be eat and feast with many varieties of food on the platter, or an humble curd rice, or an roti. This apple pickle is a perfect condiment to go along with it. Make instant pickle with Granny Smith apples. If you make an instant pickle with Granny Smith apples and tell your guests that you made mango pickle, they will be enjoying it as a mango pickle and they will not be able to find out it's apple pickle. Let's check the ingredients for making instant pickle with Granny Smith apples. Clean the apples, dry them and then cut it into small pieces. Transfer the apple pieces to the bowl and add the spices one by one. First add salt, then turmeric, asafoetida, chili powder and fenugreek powder. Let's do the tempering. Add oil to the hot pan and add mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackles, add the curry leaves and switch off the stove. Add the hot tempering on top of the spices and apple and give a mix. The hot oil will cook the spices in the right level. After mixing them, store it in a container You can leave it in the room temperature for a day or leave it in the fridge for a week. The pickle is best served for the first 1 or 2 days. You can enjoy this pickle with curd rice, roti or bread. I hope you made these pickles and enjoyed it with your family. Let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.